Okay, again, I thrifted this. Thrifted. I heard that you're happy. Wow. Serious ah. Allah. Wow. Yun eh. Whoa. That's what I'm talking about. Again, dapat yang for cheaper price than the real original price. Weh. Come on. Tapi dia rasa tak lengkap lah sebab it's not full version. It is full version. Entahlah, tak tahu lah. I heard that you're happy without me, and I hope it's true. This is a cute handwriting. Sima. No, Su. Entah. I know. I get it. Cantik. Okay, nanti nak tengok. Oh, CD. They collab with Powerpuff Girls. Ni zaman bila punya lah. They're really old. Postcard. And it gives off 80 vibes. 80 retro pop. Okay. Okay, ni boleh buat on the wall.